Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll just be showing you guys how you can create a new variable in an Excel worksheet. So the way that we do this, let's say that we want to create a variable called return, right? Return being the difference between the closing price and the open price, right? So let's just name our variable. I've named it return, and in the cell that we want this value to appear, so just the first value in this column, we just start by writing equals in the same way that we did in the Power Query editor. So if return is close minus open, then we're just going to select the close value that's of interest, which is this first one. And then we're just going to subtract off the open value that's of interest, which is this one here. Right. So let's just hit enter. And cool. All of our values have now appeared in the table. Since this is already formatted as a table, because I put the equation in, it's auto-completed. But if this wasn't formatted as a table and we wanted to fill out the whole table, we would simply double click this little square icon in the corner there. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.